Hi, I am Shyla, and in this video I will be sharing my thought process on how I draw background with geometric shapes and seemingly complicated patterns in it. Let's get started with the most important step for a good drawing, and that is browsing for reference. Browsing is a crucial step that every artist follows. After browsing the internet for a while, my eyes caught on this picture immediately. It had everything I needed. It had geometric shapes, sharp edges, look at those lines and patterns. This is a great picture to practice and replicate. Whenever I draw using references, I find it important to not focus on the picture as whole. Instead, I would look at the picture and split it by blocks and shapes. You can see me draw each lines, each shapes, by blocks and not as whole. Block by block, I try to replicate the picture. This would help me to not be under pressure of drawing the picture at once. Instead, it puts me under an illusion of drawing something simple, which after a while, once I complete drawing all blocks, I would end up with a decent-looking outline of the reference I have in hand. This is a practice that all artists perform. Very effective and efficient. Once we have a good outline in hand, it's time to move on to coloring. This is my favorite part. If you look closer at the reference picture, you can find more shades of colors in each blocks. What I did is I looked at the blocks from a distance and figured which color does each block lean more towards. Is it brown or blue or cream, etc.? Another technique I used here is color picking. Although it's a good way to choose colors, I wouldn't suggest it to become a habit. Because in the long run, this technique would make you chain to the colors in the reference and not giving you space to explore new palettes. Since I had a limited time frame to finish this picture, I used this technique and it went well. Following that, I started to enhance each blocks with bold lines. One tip that I have followed so far in my art journey is to not think twice when drawing something. If you think about drawing a line, then just do it. Don't wait for the perfect line to happen. It doesn't exist. Just go with the flow, you will end up good, no doubt. The longer you think about drawing the line, the more held up you will be in actually drawing it. Like Bob Ross said, there are no mistakes, it's just happy accidents. Now let's talk about noise. There are two things to keep in mind when trying to create noise in the picture. Number 1, don't overdo it. Number 2, follow uniformity in patterns. As you can see, I have created noise on the walls with random strokes of lines, but I followed uniformity. The purpose of noise is to enhance the picture and not itself. And that is it for this video. I am happy I shared my process of drawing and hopefully it helped. There is one last thing you must keep in mind. The drawing stops when you feel happy and contented. Don't pressure yourself into creating something that strains your mind. Take your time and complete that piece you are working on. If you are an artist who is figuring how to draw backgrounds, then go subscribe and press the bell icon. Until next tutorial, bye-bye.